Did you read any books to make yourself? Like to get there?
You know, I don't know what the hell I did. I was honestly out of my mind, right? Like, but I think that's, a lot of it comes from need, right? Like I was, I guess I was about 30. I was like, yo, my wife wants kids. I don't want her to have to drop the kid off at daycare and go, have to have her go work all day. I was like, yeah, I need to figure this out. So a lot of it was I was just out of my mind and I wanted to just protect from that one thing. But like along the way, reading books, dude, like, sure, I've read them. I enjoyed we talk about it a lot. Warren Buffett's Snowball Effect, like that was a good one. Just like a little bit today is a lot tomorrow, and I don't think many people realize investing in today how big that extrapolates into tomorrow. Sales books, like I love Pitch Anything from Aaron Clef. Wolf of Wall Street, Jordan Belfort's book is awesome if you're into the sales game. And then honestly, dude, like I've got slowed down on books, and I've been really big into podcasts is where I get a lot from. And I learn a lot from other people's stories. Like a good book I read was Nike Slumdog. What was that?
Shoe Dog.
Shoe Dog is a good one. But I like the flip side of that, the podcasts that relate right back to that of how I built this. It's my favorite podcast.
It's a really good one.
Because it's big business people, how they went from 0 to 100. And it's just funny to see, man, like how many times you feel alone out here? Like that's something I would ask you. Like how many times do we all feel alone here? But then hear those people think like, how am I going to get my next round of funding? How am I going to do this? How am I going to do that? They're selling something. We're all trying to buy something. And that's really the only difference, right? Like we're trying to build a real estate portfolio. They're trying to sell you the next greatest lunch or meal or whatever the heck they're selling, right? Like, and it's really interesting to see that all entrepreneurs go down this same similar path, if you ask me. So